with Milo, come with Wash. We'll explore, oh my gosh, learning letters one by one, in the forest having fun. A, B, C, come sing with me, from the mountains to the sea. Animals, nature, stars above, learning letters we will love. A is for ant, so tiny and strong. B is for bird, who sings a song. C is for cloud, fluffy and high. D is for deer, who walks nearby. E is for egg, from which life starts. F is for fox, who's clever and smart. G is for grass, so soft and green. H is for hill, a nature scene. A, B, C, come sing with me, from the mountains to the sea. Animals, nature, stars above, learning letters we will love. I is for insect, crawling slow. J is for jellyfish that glows below. K is for kite that flies in the sky. L is for leaf that twirls when it's dry. M is for moon that lights the night. N is for nest, so warm and tight. O is for owl, wise and sweet. P is for pebble, small and neat. Oh, A, B, C, come sing with me, from the mountains to the sea. Animals, nature, stars above, learning letters we will love. Q is for queen bee, buzzing around. R is for river, with splashing sound. S is for sun, so bright and round. T is for tree, with roots in the ground. U is for umbrella for rainy days. V is for vegetables in garden trays. W is for worm, wiggly and shy. X is for X-ray, to look inside. Oh my. Y is for yawn when it's time for bed. Z is for zebra, with stripes of black and red. Okay, black and white, but kids might smile.